height and then the width of your image. Let's say your image is too big, you can decide to add, let's say 400 this pixels, and then the width should also be, let's say 300. Let me just see if you can add many attributes just to make your image appear very beautiful. You see, I've distorted my image. You see, so you can decide to reduce the height. It seems the height is too, the 600 is too much, or is it the 400 I used? Let me reduce the height. Let me just say a 200. Let me divide it into 2 to see. So it is important to also know the dimensions of your images before designing it. So if I designing a logo, don't go and create a very big logo and now come trying to resize it. Looking at your website, you look for the best logo dimension, create your images using that dimension, so it will be easier for you to insert them instead of inserting them and now try to work and then correct them using the height and then the width. Okay, if you go on the internet, you can get a lot of information on very good image dimensions. YouTube thumbnail, what is the dimension? Facebook banner, what is the dimension? Instagram banner, Instagram post, what is the dimension? Well, as at the point of creating it, you equip yourself and then to prevent any further editing of your images and the rest.